Pascal Blaise, the philosopher, says, the heart, emotions, and our faith are sometimes more powerful than logic and reason. The heart has its reasons. Even today at Orvieto in the cathedral, the host still remains. Continues to be a place of pilgrimage. But keeping that aside, let us go through the Gospels now for a moment. The first time we hear about bread in the Gospels is at the time of birth of Christ. Where do we hear about bread in the birth of Christ? In the place where Christ is born. Bethlehem is, when you translate it, is the house of bread. Surprisingly, the one who says, I am the bread of life, is born in the house of bread. We come across bread again in the temptations. The first temptation is about food. Turn the stones into bread. And Jesus repeats the words we have heard in the first reading today. Man does not live on bread alone, but on every word that comes from the mouth of God. In today's reading, first reading from Deuteronomy, we have heard these words. But what is this bread he is talking about? It is not food. He's talking about himself, who is the Word. Gospel of John, today's Gospel. I am the Word. He is the Word. He is the bread. And when in the Eucharist or at home we say the Our Father, and we say, give us today our daily bread, we are not talking about breakfast, lunch, or dinner. We are talking about Jesus Christ, give us today our daily bread. We are all hungering. We are all hungry for bread. Very often in time, we are hungry with one thing and seeking satisfaction in something else. Reminds me of a short joke of a group of boys who went to a bar to drink, and after they have had their drink, they are going back home, and one of the friends says, I cannot find the key of my bike. And they begin to search for his key under a lamp pole where there is light. They begin to search for it. And after some time, one of the drunk friends asks him, where did you lose your key? He says, down the road over there. Then why are you searching for it over here? Because there is light over here, I'm searching for it over here. Very often in life, we are hungry, but we are seeking maybe the right thing or the wrong thing in the right place or the wrong place.